So if your goal is to monetize LinkedIn, here are 15 ways to monetize your LinkedIn account. So this is for coaches and consultants and also as service-based expert looking to monetize LinkedIn and not seeing it as just a resume. So it's time for results. No more guesswork. So if you're a coach or consultant or service-based expert, LinkedIn is no longer just a networking site or a resume environment. It is your untapped and cash producing machine. So in this video, I'm breaking down 15 proven ways to monetize LinkedIn. And guess what? This is not just any strategy out there. These are real strategies that are actually working, even for experts with small audience and are using zero ad spend. So whether you're looking to sell premium service or you're trying to scale somehow, or you're trying to get job out there, this is going to help you. So I am Umoka, your growth strategist and AI monetization expert. I help coaches and consultants as well as service-based experts like you turn their content into consistent clients. And this all starts from turning your profile into profit. So first, you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile as a sales page, not as a resume as most people have it. So if you want to dig deep into this, first thing you need to create a magnetic headline, that one that really communicates your value to your target audience, not you putting up okay, not one that confuses your audience, but one that addresses the pain points and as well as the desire of your audience. So you're going to make it something like I help X move from pain to desired results. That's what you're supposed to do. Then the next one is the banner design. It's surprisingly that most people don't have a banner. It's blank and yeah, it's painful to say that gray area. So you need to use a banner that visually supports your brand message. Then the next one is using engaging about section. This is important that nobody's going to defend you when you're not there. This session is going to do that for you. So the next thing is consistency. So what you're going to have in your banner should be what you should have in your headline, should be what you're going to have in your featured area. And next, add a link to your featured session. This is your call to action. Nobody can click on your banner, nobody can click on your headline, but they can surely click on your featured session. So this is where you need to put things to action. So secondly, you need to sell high tickets or offer directly. So it's you have to position your service as a solution they didn't know they needed. So use clarity them into strategic calls. So many people know they need things, but they might not be aware they need it. Like for instance, beta founders could be there and they are not aware that maybe why they're not consistent online is because of their busy schedule. So if you could come in and don't want to provide service to them to save them of that stress, then you can use a clear CTA for that. And CTA means call to action, just for the record. Then the next area you can use to monetize your LinkedIn. Number three is create and sell digital products. Now, this could be a premium ebook, it could be a mini course, it could be a template, it could be a checklist. Just create something that can be accessed digitally. When I mean digitally, that you don't need a human to human contact to do it. That you can be sent electronically across the web. So the next one is promote it organically through content and feature session. Another way to monetize your LinkedIn is number four, is launch a paid newsletter and LinkedIn subscription. So monetize insights with exclusive content like on platform like Substack, Gumroad, AI, or LinkedIn own tools. So the main goal here is for you to have um, a newsletter that you can send out to people or you can invite people to come read daily, weekly, monthly, any way you want it to be or how good your consistency is all depending on you. But the whole goal here is monetizing it based on the value you're offering. Then another way to monetize LinkedIn, number five, is host paid webinars and masterclasses. So use content and DMs to fill in live event that build trust and convert. So the case here, pro tip here, use AI powered CRM to do that. A PIF AI can function in that aspect too. Then number six is offer LinkedIn profile audit and optimization service. 98% of most experts on LinkedIn right now are doing this service. What they do is to audit your profile to see where you are missing it out and help you optimize it. So help professionals to write and position their LinkedIn profile for maximum impact. Number seven on the list is to launch a group coaching or masterclass program. I know you've seen it out there. You've seen people say, I have a masterclass, but the most important part of this, or the way this is functional, is you building a high value group experience around a transformation and promote it through authority content. So if you know how to make people lose weight fast, good. You carry out a coaching program in respect to that. If you know how to make people turn from dummy to smart, good. You turn it into a masterclass and invite people to it. So number eight, another interesting way is to run a DM based challenge or funnel. So you can create a 5 days challenge and promote it via content and tell people to DM together. You send people a DM that you're having the challenge, and the challenge would be a transformation. Like if you can make people have good content in between point or move them from point A to point B, from their pain to their desires, then you can host a challenge in X amount of days, X amount of weeks, depending on well, how long it could take for you to bring them to their desired result. So pro tip for this is to use automated DMs to convert. This is what I do. I did it for myself. So I don't have to keep juggling between trying to create content or trying to reply persons. All I just need, I have a DM to help me run that challenge there. Another one is build a community with or a paid membership community. So what you need to do is to create a paid group on Slack, Discord, Facebook, or any other part. Again, sorry, Facebook twice there. But all you have to do is to create a system that people could pay, and in that community you offer value. As I said, the whole goal of monetization is value. I will emphasize that at the end of this. Number 10 is offer LinkedIn content strategy or ghostwriting. Now, offer ghostwriting or content system as a monthly service to busy CEOs. They will gladly pay you for this, provided you are able to save them time and make them more money. Yes. Number 11, affiliates or partner with tools you use. So if you're using Canva and you believe people can use it as well, you can as well have your affiliate link. I don't know if Canva have an affiliate link, but just any tools you use, you create your affiliate link and send it to people. And pro tip for this is make a VSL or how to do videos with Loom and attach your affiliate link with it. I share this um I always advise people, especially for people come for newbies in monetization. This is a faster route for you, and it's enjoyable because you're providing value to your audience at the same time making it easy for them to make decision and so making money. Then number 12 is monetize through LinkedIn ads and retargeting. This is capital intensive, but gives results. You don't have to do this. The next area is like it helps you capture leads through content, retarget them with ads. So a pro tip here is for you to use lead magnets. Attach the lead magnet to your funnel, attach the funnel to the ads, and the ads attached to a workflow, like a follow-up system. So once somebody fill in the opt-in form, you can follow up with them automatically using a AI-powered CRM system. Then number 13 is offer a one-on-one strategy or clarity call. So if you're good at what you do and you're sure based on experience you can make a client move from point A to point B, you can have a book session for a fee, perhaps $50 for 30 minutes, 1,000 for 30 minutes, 5,000 for 30 minutes. It all depends on you. So use this on your future session or DMs to offer a deep dive strategy calls. So the next one is collaborate with brands or thought leaders. So you can collaborate with brands and thought leaders to earn more through a co-webinar event, or more like you can also use them as an influencer marketers for your product or service. Then the final one is build an email list and nurture them. So this is the case. This is the most important part and connects to majority of everything on this list. All you need is an AI-powered system that help you capture leads with lead magnets, nurture those leads via email automation. A perfect CRM system for that is Piff AI. You can actually Google that and get your account set up for that. So this is it. Your next step to monetization. To monetize faster with AI plus community. What you need, if you need a clarity call on how or your personalized roadmap, you can book a call with me. I will drop the link to this video. Then you also have a you can also be part of my AI monetization community if you're not part of it already. Then what I share here is I converting LinkedIn DM templates, ready-made messages designed to boost engagement and maximize conversion rate. So also I share AI-powered contents prompts effortlessly create help you effortlessly create unique LinkedIn posts using intelligent tailored prompts. So swipe files of monetized post formats as well as access to exclusive training with me. So this is where you stand to gain a clarity call and also in my LinkedIn AI monetization community. So I always find you well. Um, One thing I hope for you is to be able to transform your LinkedIn into a cash machine. So for more of this, you can follow me on LinkedIn in Umoka and hope to see you later. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe, whatever platform you can use to get more content like this. And sure, do have a great one. Bye for now.